How to fix Twitter we cannot send a text message to this phone number. Hello guys, welcome back to this brand new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. So first thing you wanna do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps like this. On this page you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. So let's wait a few seconds. Go to Twitter, click on it. Now here you have to click on the data usage. Make sure everything is enabled. Go back, click on the storage. Click on this clear data option like this to delete all the data and the cache. Go back, and now last thing you want to do is update your Twitter on the Play Store or the App Store if you have iOS. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial.